called, I got this game called Forgegate. So let's go to it. Ah. Okay, I'm on the big floor. I really can't get past big floors. Oh wait, I got. Oh come on. I'm getting a lot of stuff with this. Oh look, I got a purple shirt, so let's keep on getting stuff. I have enough money for one more thing. Okay, gear. Okay. See the new board. No, my board right here is letter 0070 2010. Let's go with this. Because my board just gives me more power and stuff. What? I never knew this. This is the time attack on here. Since the day after tomorrow. Ah! So since the day after tomorrow. And there's stuff right here, but you can't read it. Only if you just see words when I just wrap my hand over it. Okay, I'm going to skate and go to Big Floor. Big Floor's my favorite. Right now I'm just going to do score attack. Loading park data. Okay, 1 second. Let me fix the camera. And... you know what? Okay, finally fix the camera! Really? Right when I fix the camera, this pops up. Really? Right when I fix the camera, that happens. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Okay, I gotta get enough speed. Woo! 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 I really want new games that cost money. That don't cost money. I really want new skating games like this that don't cost money, so I can make videos of them like this one. Wait, look at this. Whale. See, oh, come on. You can jump off a rail like this. So you can see the controls. I don't know how I landed that. How did I land that? Woo! See that? I did not know you could do that. Oh! What? Well, it's like a park. It's like a park. Woo! Wait. Oh! I couldn't jump onto the line. I'm like, this is gonna be the best trick ever in history. Okay. Woo! Okay. So I am back. I just had to take a bath. Okay. So today, yesterday I didn't finish the video, so let's just finish the video. Okay, loading park data. Let's go. Flip, flip, dip, dip. Aww. I'm putting the camera. Oh no, it turned black. Okay. Hey, wait. I just went to fix it, so let's get started. I just went to fix it, so let's get back to it. You're supposed to just do this, not just jump into it. And for some reason, jumping gives you a point. Wait. Make it. Oh, I did it. I did it. That's the best trick I've done. It's like not really the best trick. One of the best tricks. Okay, look. Look at this. What? Woo! See, that was the best trick I've ever done. That was. Oh. Oh, I still made it when that was in front of me. Whee! Okay, let's get on to this. Go. Let's get on. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Aw, I thought I could get that. Whee! Ah. Sorry, I thought that interruption master is talking. If you heard that. And I think it's really hard to hear. Me? Oh, I made it. I made it! Oh, see that? I went over the ramp. Woo! Oh, I love doing these tricks like this. rail, I literally jumped into the rail. Oh wait, I can make this. Jump! Dang! See that? Okay, wait for it. Whee! See that? That was awesome. Whee! Oh, I did big air. Whee! I'm gonna just jump over rails like a beast. This. Aw, I forgot about that. Whew! Oh wait, look at this. Ah! Oh, come on, I'm just gonna. I'm gonna do this. There. Okay, wait for it, wait for it. Oh, come on, I used that stupid stick. Why did you let me do it? Okay, whoa! Oh! Awesome! Whee! Right when it finished! That's all on the floor. So, score is... Okay, I can't read it. 1,002,053. Beep beep. Score C. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this part. So blah blah blah. Yeah.